Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden and Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a very famous Hyderabadi royal dish. It's called Murgh Musallam. It's a stuffed chicken. I have some whole chicken, 2 whole chickens. I'm making it. We are going to stuff this chicken with all the spices, with the creamy spices. It's going to be very delicious because you have all the royal things in there, like almonds and cashew nuts, and we have some fried onions and some yogurt drained with the water. There's no water in there. We have some salt and some garam masala and a little bit of chaat masala and Kashmiri red pepper and red chili pepper and black pepper and cumin powder, 1 spoon, and coriander powder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grind all these things and just a little bit of kevra water, maybe half a spoon. And what I did is, first this chicken, I made all these curds, washed it real good and soak it in with the vinegar, 1/4 cup of vinegar and tub full of water. So, and I drained the chicken completely. The chicken is completely, it has to be dry completely. So the masala can stuck to the chicken, okay? So we are going to grind all these things and marinate this masala in there, okay? I grinded these masalas. It's like a soft paste, not too much water. Just try to make it like a thick paste. And we are going to add a little bit of kevra water to give it nice flavor. Just a couple of drops, okay? And then you have to take it. I'm going to use my hands because so it can go all the way masala inside. All these curds, you have to fill it up, the masala in there. Okay, I applied all the masalas in there, and now I have grinded some mint and cilantro and some green pepper and little bit of yogurt because I need to make it a little bit liquidy. So I did that. So I'm gonna pour this one over and put it real good. So okay. So all these masalas, garlic, ginger, mint, yogurt, smells so good, everything. So we're gonna put that in there and let it marinate like that for 2 hours at least, or maybe you can keep overnight. I put some oil, 2 spoons of oil. Okay, and some lemon juice. So did you see that lemon juice? You see that net on it? The seeds don't come, it's so easy to squeeze. I can put the link, you can get it from Amazon. You can put a little bit of lemon juice like this. You can squeeze it. There's nothing is coming in there. Just the juice. Okay. Like I always say that I'm looking for this kind of. So, okay. While it's marinating, we're gonna make the stuffing. Okay. Let's go make the stuffing. While this is marinating. Okay. I'm gonna move this and bring the stuffing in. Okay. We'll make the stuffing. Okay. While the chicken is marinating, we'll make the stuffing. For the stuffing, I'm going to be stuffing some boiled eggs. We're going to make some keema, ground meat. This is the chicken. I have a chicken keema, chicken ground meat, and 1 medium-sized onions with 2 green peppers and some tomatoes, 1 tomato, and also I have some red pepper, salt, coriander powder, black pepper, garam masala and cumin powder. That's all it goes in there. Okay, let's go cook the stuffing. So we'll stuff it and we are gonna make Murgh Musallam. Okay. Okay friends, we're gonna make the stuffing. So we'll put a couple of spoons of oil. About 3 spoons of oil. Put this onions in there and we'll fry onions. and this gets a golden brown. Okay, our onions are fried lightly brown. That's all we wanted. We do not want it very brown, not crispy. So just a little soften. And then you're going to add all these masalas in there. And 1 spoon of garlic and ginger paste. Okay. Just saute it for a few minutes. Now we will add some tomato. 1 tomato. Just wait until the tomato gets softer. Then we're going to add the ground meat. Okay. Tomatoes are soft. They're cooked. So we're going to add ground chicken ka keema. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Cook this. Okay. Now we are going to cover it. Cook until the meat is done. And then we're going to stuff the chicken. And then we will cook the chicken, okay? Okay friends, our stuffing is almost ready. So what I'm going to do, I'll take these boiled eggs, put little slits in there so the spices can go inside. I'll put it in there. Okay, so it will give a little flavor in the egg too. So okay, this is ready. Let me go get the chicken. So we'll stuff the chicken. Okay, we'll stuff this stuffing in there. Bismillah. 1 egg, 2 eggs in each chicken, and this ground meat. So this can go all the way inside, deep. Okay, stuff is real good. Friends, I made the turkey with the same formula. It came out real good. You can try the turkey if you like. If you're cooking turkey for Thanksgiving or something, you can try with the same formula your turkey. It's gonna taste good. Or for Thanksgiving, some people have a very small family like me, we can just do this chicken. Okay, so that is done. So what we're going to do, we're going to tie the legs so don't spread when you're cooking. It's not going to be splash everywhere. Okay, I got this thread. I'm going to try to tie these legs. Okay, if you have a toothpicks, or you can close this one with the toothpick, or maybe you can sew with the thread. Okay, I'm not doing it today, so if you want you can do that, so the things don't the stuffing don't come out. Okay, I have a big pan, so I think both of the chickens will fit in there. We'll pour a little bit of oil, about 2 to 3 spoons, like a shallow frying. Okay, I put like about 3 or 4 spoons of oil. Then I'm going to add this chicken in there. Okay, I'm going to add the breast part first, so the chicken had more meat that side. It will get cooked. It needs to be cooked the other side, you know. Okay, let's add the rest of this masala in there. Cook. Okay. So we will cover and cook them for 1 hour. Turning back and forth, okay? Okay, let's cover this and cook for, okay, perfect. Okay friends, my chicken is ready. We are done with it. So let's see how it looks. Oh, yummy. So I have to move it to the bigger roaster pan because that pan was a little smaller. So let me plate it. I'm going to show it to you, okay? Let me turn the stove off. I'm going to show it in a minute. Okay friends, our Murgh Musallam is ready. It looks so delicious. I want you to try this dish, and if you like it, please click like, share with your friends and family.